everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am Snigdha and you are watching Quincy Style. Without further delay, let's get started into the video. The first thing in the morning which I am doing, I'm taking some clothes to wash them in washing machine. So here I am using Ultra Liquid detergent to wash my clothes. Definitely it's a non-sponsored video, but this actually great detergent for washing the clothes. So guys, good morning, and today I had amla. Otherwise, I take ginger juice and like lukewarm water, honey as well. Sometimes I have in the morning in an empty stomach. That makes my intestine good. So now I'm going to have my breakfast and we'll start the cleaning. After get up, one thing I never missed out that making bed is a more prominent thing, and now I came to bedroom for making my bed, and also I'll keep the things at their respective place. Here the thing has lie down here and there, so they must be at their respective place. Now we'll start the cleaning. Yes, the things I have to keep ready for the next week, and starting with the sweeping the entire room. Yes, then we'll start mopping also. Here I am taking toilet cleaner and will pour in toilet base and let them sit at least for half an hour. So to clean my sink, I fill the sink with hot water and adding floor cleaner or else sometimes vinegar if available. So the last thing I'm going to add some liquid detergent and will leave the sink for half an hour. Here getting ready to mopping the floor, so I'm taking care of cleaner and I have added some hot water into it. So now I have started to mop my entire room. after cleaning my room, I came to my washroom to mop the washroom floors. Here on the top of the toilet, I'm spraying some toilet cleaner and we'll leave it at least for 10 minutes. Finally, I have cleaned everything. Now it's time to clean my baby. I'll give my baby a bath, and also I'll take bath after cleaning. Now I am also ready and I have already taken bath here. So now I will complete with my sit-in routine and also do little patch up like kajal, mascara and all. But on the base I don't use anything. So now getting ready for puja. It's very important to take little time for Almighty. That gives you a inner satisfactions. Here I went outside to bring some weekly grocery that I need to store for weekly basis. So now we will clean our little place where we will keep our vegetables. So guys, so here I have got ready for the next week. That's it for today guys. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected for more such video. Till then, coming with another new video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video guys.